Hey, this is Joan Pratt with RE/MAX Professionals, and today we are touring my brand new listing at 2205 Stevens Court in Keene Ranch. So we're here in South Castle Rock at this lovely home. We want to take you through and give you a sneak peek on some of the insides and outsides of this beautiful home. So come on, let's take a look. The home boasts beautiful hand-troweled walls with crown molding. It's all freshly painted inside, and we have these lovely floors that we believe that they are ash. That fish tank is not built in, but the columns are. And take a look at this beautiful ceiling here with a wall of windows. Just lovely. Very nicely appointed with railings here that all have the iron spindles. Beautiful newer lighting. And they really reflect that this is a newer home. We have the whole house attic fan up here, and upstairs there are 3 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms are connected with the Jack and Jill, and the master suite actually takes up this whole side of the house. Take a look at the Juliet balcony here. That is the workout room or study that is built into the master, but the master is that whole side of the house. So we're going to take a look at that in just a minute, but let's take a look now. We also have a main floor study. Keene Ranch does have fire suppression systems in all of their homes. When we get down to the mechanical room, you'll see the holding tanks for those. Take a look at this beautiful kitchen. So we have this awesome JennAir, I think it's a 48-inch built-in fridge, and it does have ice and water in the door. Our cabinets have pull-outs in them. Can you see that there? We have the tumble travertine backsplash and the slab granite here as well. If we come around this side, you'll see this very nice 5-burner Bosch, and it has a self-venting option. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these before, but it very much is like a Jedi mind trick. So you can impress all your friends with it. And once it gets fully extended, you'll hear it turn on. And it has all these different levels to turn that on. So that's cool. We have a convection/microwave here. This allows you to speed cook your food faster than a normal microwave would. And it also, it's convection, so it cooks a little bit differently. And then on the bottom, we have an oven that has convection in it as well. And then super awesome little water purification hand soap dispenser. If you've watched many of my videos, you know how much I love that hand soap dispenser, and a full-on commercial faucet here. Dishwasher is tricky. Oops. And so it is lined with stainless steel, which is exactly what you'd want. This little piece of furniture is not built in, but it does match everything beautifully, don't you think? If you were a decorator, you might put different plants and things along the top. These cabinets are 42 inches tall, but they also have enough space because the ceilings are so tall to be able to decorate with your favorite things. And you can see how this family decorated with their pots and their pot rack there. Take a look at this beautiful family room. And truly, it's not just a family room. This really is a great room. I had someone ask me the other day what constituted a great room, and I believe that this is really it. It's where you can sit at the kitchen and you can be watching TV, hanging out by the fireplace with a book, and there's a space for everyone. Really an indoor-outdoor feel here. And you know, that is one of our biggest complaints that we have with home buyers, is that there's never a big enough space for the TV. I think we might have actually found a house that has a big enough space for the TV. So this home has some really neat locks, and you can see they actually have two different locks that connect to the wall here. Take a look at that. And it is all metal lined here. So in some instances, your insurance carrier might give you a price reduction in your insurance because of these safety doors. And also be sure to ask your insurance carrier about the fire suppression system, because a lot of them will give you a discount for that as well. So out here we have this beautiful composite deck. Very serene and beautiful, fully fenced backyard. You are surrounded by beauty and scrub oak. Right off the garage, we have this beautiful mudroom, complete with sink and plenty of room for your front loaders. So this bedroom is connected to a bathroom, and we have another bedroom on the other side. So this would be considered a Jack and Jill. The third bedroom up here has its own private ensuite, and as you'll notice, all of them have ample closets. Wow, take a minute to check out this amazing master. Not only does it span the whole back half of the house, but there's so much space here. Remember that Romeo and Juliet balcony we saw when we first walked in? Well, here it is in your future study or workout room. Every single window is positioned to take in the views. His and hers closets with lots of organizers. What do you think of this master bath? Isn't it lovely? Be sure to check out the lovely Neptune soaking tub. We are down here in the additional garage. How cool is that? So there is a separate drive that goes along the side of the house, and it brings you underneath the house to this amazing garage. It is fully finished, including the epoxy painted floors here. And it turns into a mudroom. Obviously, we have wine collectors. Isn't this lovely? Wouldn't you love it if you had a wine cellar in your house? The downstairs also has this full-size bathroom, complete with tub and shower. This is our Mancave sports room, and you can decorate it with all of your favorite teams too. There is a projector built into the wall here, and we have this beautiful fireplace, lots of windows, even an area for a workshop, plenty of space if you wanted to put a foosball table in here. Obviously there's already a shuffleboard and a billiard, so lots of things to do in this basement. Well, what did you think? Could this be your dream home? If not, can you think of anyone else that would love to live in a beautiful home like this? I hope you enjoyed watching our video today. We are doing these kind of virtual showings on all of our listings, so you can go to joanpratt.com and click on Virtual Buyer Program for more information on this listing or any of our other ones. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.